All right, you guys, I've had a busy day, but one of the things that hit me today, and I want to talk about it out loud, is I will have people come through our program and go really fast, and they're not taking in the learning, they're not asking questions. It's just simply trying to come, or you try to come in on a payment plan to even come through my course, come through our program, get on the internship, get out, come through our resume call, do all these things, and then just get into the market. You're doing it, first of all, you're doing a disservice to yourself, and you're doing a disservice to our program. But thanks to me seeing different things like this, we're tightening up the way we do certain things too, and participation, because we want to make sure that we serve the people who are doing the work. So I could go deeper with this, but I'm just going to say this. Let's stop doing a disservice to ourselves by trying to cheat our way through everything. Your journey will not be the same as the next person's journey. It might take you 6 months. It might take you more than 90 days. It might take you a year. You might have to re-listen to videos 4, 5, 6 times. You might have to actually post several questions in a discussion thread. You might actually have to come through the calls, come to the live calls and ask questions, and not just do the self-paced version. Do what you need to do for yourself and get what you need for your investment. And please stop doing a disservice to yourself and this market. We need great people.